Russia, land of the Tsars. Majestic and powerful, they stretched their reach towards their Korean neighbors. Japan, not agreeing with this move, rebelled and annihilated Russia's navy with their own. After this loss in battle and public conditions worsening daily, Russia's masses grew restless and struck the first chords of the cacophony known as the Russian Revolution.
In accordance with the Zemstro's will, I hereby issue the October Manifesto. This will create a legislative assembly known as the Duma.
But Rasputin was lurking around the corner.
Hello! Thank you for saving my son, Rasputin.
Oh, it was nothing. I am a holy man after all.
Oh, really? But thank you.
So maybe you could offer me a position in the government, perhaps?
Oh, of course. For all your hard work in saving my son Alexis from hemophilia.
But having a holy man would not increase their chances.
You must abdicate your throne. I know that I'm cheating. Now we shall make a provisional government. Let's elect Kerensky as our Prime Minister. Yes, let's do that.
Oh boy, thank you for this honor for letting me be the Prime Minister of the Provisional Government. Thank you.
The throne is not secure.
The Bolsheviks have finally achieved a majority in the Soviets of Moscow and Petrograd. Great, and my revolutionary committee is complete. Success! This will be a perfect time to overthrow the government. Together we shall achieve greatness. We should vote on November 6th. I'm kind of busy on the 6th. How about we stretch it out over 2 days, November 6th and 7th? Sure. Sounds great. See that? Wonderful.
Hey, look, there's Kerensky. He's the leader of the provisional government. Get him!
Down there!
Vive la Lenin!
Down there!
Vive la Lenin! Vive la Lenin! Vive la Lenin! Vive la Lenin! Vive la Lenin!
Aha, success! We have overthrown the government. Allied army has been closing in on Ukraine, and we are struggling.
Indeed, but at least we have more communism. It was necessary to take over the peasants eating berries in the street.
If we are going to win, we shall need those supplies. We have been substantially weaker after the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, when Germany made us give up Poland, Ukraine, Finland, and the Baltic provinces.
True. But I have strengthened our hold in the homeland. I have created a new secret police called the Checkout. This red terror will arrest those against our regime.
In the end, under the leadership of Lenin, Russia prevailed as a great communist society which will lead itself into the World War I and II under communism. And that is the Russian Revolution.